guy from Maserati, the guy from a Mercedes dealer called the guy at Maserati, independent Mercedes guy, who sold him that car. He only got 200 miles for the engine, got destroyed on it, and sold it. This guy called the owner, and the owner sold it to him, and this guy's got a motor.
Oh, so the car got sold again?
So the car got sold again to one of the techs that works at Maserati. And
you see the Quattro Forte the other day?
yeah, the black Quattro Forte. Yeah, that was him and his wife. Very nice.
Sure he's gonna swap the motor?
He has a motor. No, he's never swapped one before. He's gonna give it a try. Straight model 360 Ferrari, $350 on the oil change. everything's okay, seeing if there's anything else we need to do. We're an authorized independent Bentley Motorcar workshop here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and we specialize in all the late model and the vintage in restoration. If you look us up under restoration, for most of the cars you'll find us, because that's what we specialize in. But we are authorized as an independent Bentley workshop, so you'll see a lot of late model cars. We do take care of a lot of the older Ferraris and a lot of the new Ferraris. My big thing, Sam Smyth, I'm a Daytona guy. I like all the stuff with gate shifters, but we are getting the paddle shift cars in and have been for several years. So anyway, with that being said, we're working on this particular model right here. You can see all the Jags we work on, and BMWs, and we've got MGs and Triumphs, and all sorts of little fun cars. And then we get up to all the Morgans and RROCs and just all sorts of tricky, neat stuff. So anything in the Italian line, please give us a call. Anything in the British, German line, please give us a call, whether it's vintage or current day. We do keep up on our scan equipment and our scan tools, so in most cases we can do everything. There are a few things we don't get into. Some items might be, say, a flashing program problem on a car, but that's pretty rare and unusual. Your car's got to be pretty sick to really get into something like that. So other than that, that's what we do here. We're more motor and drivetrain men, but we do the leathers, the interiors, the paint work, bright work, glass work. So keep us in mind, we have a Ferrari 360 right here. We're just running to make sure there's no oil leaks, cooling, anything that's on it, we can report back to the owner. Again, I'm Sam Smyth. This is Sam Smyth, the Motorcar service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. We were established out of Ireland in 1934. This location's been here 38 years. I'm Sam Smyth II. I started it in the early 70s, so here in Sims Township area, and we incorporated here at this location right around 82, I think it was. So anyway, keep us in mind for service on all your Maserati, Ferrari, Lamborghini, BMW, Porsche, all your AMGs, all your M series cars, you know, and then your vintage. One thing I'm really good at is all your Gull Wings, vintage Gull Wing series, so keep us in mind for those. And other than that, that's it. We wish everyone all the best. If you need our service, please call us. It's 513-793-0434, or my personal cell's 513-616-6846. And I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth and Motorcar Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoyed this video. It's a 360 Ferrari, and that we're making sure the cooling system's good, well bled, and checking out for any other problems in regards to cooling system or oil leaks or any problems. Wish everyone all the best. Cheers.